makeup today on the show, makeup on our favorite Hollywood actors and actresses, because we're also getting tips from Maxi, our kababayan makeup artist, on how to put on our makeup. Ano bang pinaka-importante, Maxi?
Okay, for everyday makeup? Yeah, only a little color on the lip, okay? You don't need blush, okay? And a mascara is fine.
Pwede na yun.
Pwede na yun.
Pero kailangan talaga palagi ng foundation, ganun ba yun?
It's not necessary, especially if you have skin problem, do not wear foundation. Kasi it irritated your skin. Lalong nagdadami yung kung halimbawa may pimple, lalong magkakaroon ng irritation, especially kung mali yung products na ginagamit, if you're oily skin. Kasi yung mga makeup, there are different kinds of makeup na hindi mo pwedeng gamitin, like a clog. Okay, hindi mo pwedeng gamitin if you're oily skin and you're using it for the dry skin.
That's why we are so jealous of Hollywood actresses. They never seem to have skin problems. Let's take a look at this one. Halle Berry always talagang sexy and stunning. And of course, she's nominated in the Best Performance by an Actress in a Drama category for her role in Frankie and Alice. What can you tell us about her look? Mas forte mo talagang African-American makeup, right?
Yeah, because I started with African-American, and I started with BET. And, and the one who trained me is African-Black.
Okay, so tell me, mas madali bang mag-makeup sa mas maitim o mas madali mag-makeup sa mas maputi?
Hindi. Pinakamahirap, the hardest one is the black people. Okay, the black guys. Because you have to study all the undertones. They have orange undertones, they have yellow undertones, they have red undertones, they have all of the skin tones. All of us, you have to study everything. So we have palettes of different colors, and you have to mix it.
So when we talk about Halle Berry, what kind of makeup is good for her?
Airbrush.
Airbrush,
yes,
why?
Airbrush. And she started the airbrush. She is the one who introduced the airbrush to everybody. Yeah, like Jennifer Lopez, and those people are like the one who's using airbrush, because she always does airbrush on her face, because you can never beat her face without airbrush.
What kind of colors is good? If you look at her, I love the lips.
She has two tones. She has two tones. And Halle Berry, two tones. Yeah, she has yellow, and she has, because she's half white and half African American. So she has two tones. All you have to do is you have to highlight and the shadows, because she has a very tiny face, just like this. When I saw her, just like this. Very tiny face.
So pag tiny face, mas madali bang makeupan?
Yes, it's really easy to apply makeup on tiny face.
Sa makeup?
Yes, matipid.
All right.
Parang ikaw. Yeah, beautiful.
Thank you. Lea Michele, beautiful actress and up and coming, very fresh, nominated for her role in the hit Fox television series Glee. Okay, new to the red carpet. What will you do if you were her makeup artist?
Yeah, she has a very strong jawline and very strong personality. So most likely what I'm gonna do is contour the jawline to make it even, para soft. Yeah, soften yung facial structure, and then the eyes is too big, so we have to enhance a little bit, like put a little bit more lashes, put a little bit more eyeliner and more a little bit of eyeshadows on the dark side.
Importante ba talaga yung eyeliner?
Yes.
Okay, this actress, because it defines the eyes ba?
It defines the eyes, and it gives also dramatic in the eyes.
Okay, very quickly, Natalie Portman, this girl, I always see her parang palaging walang eyeliner.
Yes, it depends on their mood nga eh. Kasi kaya nga, some people they wear with liner only, and the red lipstick.
Okay. Dito sa picture na to, heavy ng eyeliner naman yan.
This is like a smoky, dramatic eyeshadow and a very pale lipstick. Because you cannot combine the heavy eyes and heavy lip. That's gonna look like 80s.
Yan. Pero alam mo, ang dami kong nakuhang tips sa'yo ngayon. Sana bumalik ka.
Oh, yes.
I know you're based in Connecticut now.
Yes, I'm flying tonight. I'm going to...
Thank you so much for passing by. But when you come back to LA, please visit us again. We want to get more tips from you.
Sure.
For now, thank you so much. And more power.
Thank you, beautiful.
Have a safe trip. Magbabalik ko po ang Kababayan LA World of Dance and the Filipinos in the World of Dance. Don't go away.
Kababayan LA, ahatid sa inyo ng McDonald's. Anong mga bagong McCafe Espresso drinks? McDonald's na ba ang inyong bagong coffee house? Ang mga bagong McCafe Espresso drinks ay mabilis, masarap, at mas mura pa. Kahit saan, kahit kailan.
You poke, cut, squint, and